Hi, and welcome again to UX Design, and this is a presentation on how to present your finished flowcharts. What you're going to need for this is your finished flowchart. Whatever form it takes, as long as you have a good photo of it that you can put on the screen, we are set. The second thing you're going to need for this project is your screen capture tech, whether that's Figma, or QuickTime or Jing, it doesn't matter. Whatever you use to create that first capture video, use it again for this project. I will be using Camtasia and presenting the chart that I made in Illustrator. Okay, so here we go. Hello, my name is Agnes Rousey, and I will be presenting my flowchart for the app Made with Love that allows people to share their pet food recipes. First, when the user enters the app, he or she will see a loading screen. Once the loading screen finishes out and the app starts running all of its processes, the first screen will be the login screen. This can be skipped if someone sets up a login automatically option. On the login screen, the user will have several options. One is to create a new account with a username and password. You sign in with a username and password, or log in with an existing Facebook or Gmail account. It will also have a submit button. If someone chooses to create a new account, it will take them to the Create New Account page where their information will be gathered and stored. If they have an existing account and put in the correct username and password or log in with Facebook or Gmail, it will take them to the home page. Now, the home page is going to have a recipe of the day. This recipe is going to rotate depending on the day of the week and based on user input. The other thing that the home page is going to have is a drop-down menu that takes you to the different parts of the app. You can see the drop-down menu contents here in the little pop-up box, which would be the home screen, new recipe page, an account to manage your information, find a recipe page, and then recipes by species and the option to log out. If the viewer or user chooses to create a new recipe, they will be taken to the new recipe page where the title, the species, the ingredients, instructions, and a photo upload option will be available. The photo upload option has two separate options for the source of the photo. First of all, photo from file if they've taken the photo before, and one from camera if they've just finished completing the recipe and wish to upload it. Once this is done, it takes you back to the recipe page, gives you kind of a preview, and allows you to share the recipe. The finished recipe shows up on a separate page, and it is now public and visible to everybody else. From here, the user can click once again on the drop-down menu and return to create another new recipe or go find a recipe. This can also be accomplished from the home page using the drop-down menu. The Find a Recipe page, which will have a search bar and a list of results that will show up once you've typed in your information and click search. There also is a recipe lists page, which gives you the recipes by essentially organization by species, by type, and by ingredients, so that you can look up your recipes just in a large index file. And at any point in time, the user can log out. That's it. That's my presentation. Thank you very much.